gonna be interesting. You can do this. Ready? Block. Bam. Turn the toes out, heels as close as possible. Squeeze and release. We're back to squeezing again. Squeeze and release. Keep going with that pace. Don't just think, oh, I have to squeeze my inner thighs. Think, I'm gonna squeeze up from my pelvic floor. Okay? Squeeze up and release. I'm gonna zip up from my toes all the way to my navel and release like a zipper. Zip and release. I can't do this for you, and I can't show you because you can't see, you know, unless I cut myself in half. It doesn't make sense. You have to find this on your own, okay? But this is very good for your body and very good for posture and for learning Arabic dance. Okay, relax it. Woo! Check me out. Step back. Sit down. Feet flat, our typical position. Belly in, chest up, and circle, circle. We're gonna circle that pelvis. We're gonna wind from the back to the front. Back to the front. Other way, Missy. Yep, Miss Rita. Yep. So we're coming in. Yep. Beautiful. Now don't kill me. Bring your front foot in a high heel shoe. Take that circle and bring it here. Here's 4, 3, 2, and rest. Wow. Put it down, other side. We're doing isometric with those inner thighs, so I don't want to overly tire them. We'll add it in a minute. Position. Squeeze, high heel, tuck, and circle, circle, circle. Yep. So back to front, one hip circle. Squeeze the inner thigh as if you have that yoga block, and that's gonna give it more control. It's not gonna flail. There's like flailing, and then there's controlling. Makes sense? 4, 3, 2, and rest. Other side. I'm gonna change it. Check me out. Same position. Squeeze, plie, releve, tuck, lift, roll. Up and down. Up, back, down. Up, back, down. Now we're changing this circle. This is the one where we'll benefit the most from having a grip between the thighs. This one, people tend to lose the position or lose the power from the feet up. They forget that the feet stay connected and the inner thighs are gripping on for dear life. See the difference? Gripping on for dear life, not gripping on for dear life. I've gotten very loosey. Other side, grab your yoga block. Place it between the thighs. Same posture and position of the feet. 1.5 if you will. Then tuck, lift, roll. Just a little high heel. Up, back, up, back. Squeeze the inner thigh. We don't want to open the knees. Keep that foot up. Yep, let the hip do the work. Up, back. If you're visual, we're doing circles. Squeeze the inner thighs. That's it. Up, down, up, down. Here's 4, 3, 2, hold. Other side. Check me out. Plie, tuck, lift, roll. High heel. I want back to front, front to back. Up, bring it in, push, bring it back. Circle inside, circle outside. Circle to the midline, circle, push out. Draw a one hip figure 8. There's a pen on your hip. You're drawing a figure 8 on the wall in front of you. Good. One more time. Up and around. Ladies, speed it up. Up, down, and around. Up and around. Doom, doom, doom. Doom, doom, doom. You got it? Remember one hip figure 8, Missy? Remember it? Up and around. Up and around. There you go. Yes. But squeeze. Don't let that ankle reach out. Keep the ankles in. Other side. Wow. If anything's going to clean up your one hip 8, it's this. If you say, P, I don't have it yet, get rid of this. Optional, you may keep it or get rid of it. Right now, make a decision. No problem. Squeeze, plie, releve, tuck, lift. Up, down, scoop, down. Circle, in, circle, out. Up, bring it down, down, bring it out. Up, down, speed it up. Up, down, and around. Up and around. Up and around. Smaller. Doom, doom, doom. Doom, doom, doom. Doom, doom, doom. Doom, doom, doom. Here's 4, 3, 2, and 1. Get rid of the block. Woo! We're done with blocks for today. Other side, real quick, and then we'll finish up. Yeah, we have a few more minutes. We'll finish up in a few minutes. Squeeze, plie, tuck, lift, releve, position, and up and down, up and down. Back to front, front to back. Up and down, good, and around. So here's our one hip figure 8. Ladies, speed it up. Up, down, and around. Up, down, and around. Remember to grip the floor from the feet first. Inner thighs second. Kegels and pelvic floor third. And belly. Up, down, and around. Here's 4, 3, 2, and rest. You have it, Golnar. That's it. It's not easy, but that's it. You guys have it. Super pretty. This one's very sexy. Super pretty. Not easy in the beginning, but let's finish on the other side. One hip figure 8. Plie, releve, tuck, lift, roll, lift the chest, balance. Up, down, scoop, around. Gripping the floor, gripping the inner thighs. Up, down, scoop, around. Last time. Up, down. Ladies, speed it up. Up, down, and around. Back to front, scoop. Up and around. Squeeze the inner thighs like you have that yoga block. Up and around. Up and around. Here's 4, 3, 2, and rest. Wow. Good stuff. Inhale. Exhale. Let's finish. Last song. Grab your yoga block or your book to balance. Look at their faces.